सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो आज अपने पास कुछ डिफरेंट है। सो टुडे वी गोना टॉक अबाउट दिस स्टेडियम। सो इट इज़ रियली स्मॉल। आई मीन आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम Banggood. They said it's gonna be 30 centimeters long. I was expecting the arena to be 30 centimeter long, and apparently this tip to tip is 30 centimeters hardly. So I just feel like they cheated, but anyhow we're gonna unbox the stadium, and on the screen you can see the image, what they are showing and what they are selling. Obviously I have no words, guys. I mean, this is one of those expectation versus reality kind of scenarios. So yes, this happened. तो क्या देखा था और क्या हो गया? Literally no idea. So let's open it. So this is the stadium. So one thing I'm gonna say is for 700 it doesn't look that bad. So the only concern I have is the size. So in the image it was showing pretty hexagonal. It is hexagonal but not in a regular shape. It is more of a oval shape. So this arena was supposed to be round and it's oval. No worries, if it should have been extended a little bit, I would have loved it. No worries. But so just wanted to share you, if you are trying to buy some stadiums from Amazon or AliExpress or Banggood or any similar sites, just read the specifications clearly. Even after reading, people get into these kind of scenarios. Anyhow, talking about the stadium, so one thing I'm gonna say for sure is that this stadium is pretty good built, man. It's purely made from plastic, so that's good. It's not like these fiber kind of material, it's pure plastic, so that's really good. And one thing I loved about the stadium is, so these walls you can pull them out or you can put them in, so it's really good. So this stadium is for 600-700, it's good for like small base. It's not really that great for some like regular size base. So that was pretty much for stadium. So let's kick things off with these Metal Fight Beyblades. So first I am gonna launch Sagittario. Let's give it this a test spin. And now I'm gonna launch Pegasus. So I would say for Metal Fight Beyblades, this is a pretty amazing stadium. And these walls, they are lovely. But if I use like burst Beyblades, it is usable up to some extent, but I won't recommend it. Let me prove to you why I am saying that. Let me show you why this is not really good for burst Beyblades. So to prove my point, I'm gonna use Wild Vibron and Caesar Kerbeus. So here goes Caesar Kerbeus, and here goes Wild Vibron. So you can see for a stamina type and defense type base, this stadium is pretty good. So for these size of base, stadium might work. But if we move on a bit further, so to prove my point, I'm gonna bring the Valkyrie. So this is gonna Valkyrie against Wild Vibron. So to prove my point, I'm gonna use Vibron and Victory Valkyrie. So let's give this a shot. So now you're gonna see a battle between the attack and a defense, and this is gonna be a little bit tight. Here goes Vibron. Here goes Victory Valkyrie. Here goes Vibron. Here goes Valkyrie. And you can see it goes out of the stadium pretty easily. So here goes Vibron. And here goes Valkyrie. So you can see the stadium gets a bit tighter even for these size of base. If I launch something bigger, I highly doubt it's gonna hold. So any aggressive bay will not be a good fit for stadium, and any aggressive bay will not work in this stadium. So if you want to buy this similar kind of stadiums, you can use these size of base, it will work perfectly. But if you have bigger base like these, this stadium is just not gonna work at all. So I would suggest to avoid these kind of stadiums. That's my suggestion to you. This is a pretty good stadium, but for smaller base. So if you are just aiming for a smaller base and if you just want a spare stadium, then this is gonna work out good for you. Otherwise, just try to skip something like that. So guys, that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I will see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.